Good morning. We are here taking a brisk walk in the cold in New York City. And yo, not for nothing, this is so much heavier to carry now. I'm gonna have to carry it like this because of the lens. Yeah.
I brought my stand if you want to use it.
I have mine too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
He's just being like,
Yeah, I'm just being at the things. We headed over to somewhere where I haven't been in such a long time, to the Met, for a photo walk with Photo Dom. And today I am with Roberto and Crystal. For those who never thought the day would come, because Rob definitely never thought the day would come, I cleaned my sensor. I bought a sensor cleaning kit the other day, and it's officially clean. Although we will find out, well, during this video. When I go to edit it, that's when I find out whether it's clean or not.
You know who you look like when you did that? Fuck, what's his name from that show, Futurama? The fucking octopus man? She sounds just like that. Just like that!
I passed it right to you. I'm credit with this kid. I'm going for a scuttle.
Update on life. Y'all threw me off guard with that.
How did we throw you off guard?
Because
what's the weather report? Cold.
cold. So I've been dying for a week and a half now. You know what I'm saying? Fevers, 102 fevers and all that, but I survived. But aside from dying and vocals all fucked up and all that shit, I survived. And I also got, right here, the Hollyland Lark M2S. So I'm excited to say that today I am using it. I have it on regular. I put the volume on my camera to 8, I think. And then I have this on the second, because there's like 3 little levels. So it's on the second one. And we're gambling. Like, I see the audio levels look okay. We're gambling, and we're gonna see what everything sounds like. There's no noise cancellation or none of that stuff. It's just straight up raw audio. As you can see, this is rubbing on it a little bit, but I didn't put a windscreen either. I really love the fact that it's like super low profile. Even on the camera itself, the little thing is like super low profile. So I'm excited to use it. We're waiting for the rest of the Photodom community to pull up. A bunch of photographers and stuff. It's always a good vibe. I see some Yashica mats and stuff over here, so people are pulling up. And then we're gonna go inside and do our photo walk inside the Metropolitan Museum de Arte. Great selection of head wraps. I'm a big fan of the head scarves and the head wraps and all that.
I would have remembered.
You know what I'm saying? I love a good scarf. That's nice. You should have brought me one from Turkey. Jesus. Oh, look at this. This is nice. I like this a lot. So I have specific reasons as to why this is what I'm here for. How much is it? I think that's the coolest way to rock your mic. A boom mic is sick.
Why?
Thank you. This is all I wanted. Yo, since when did the Met become a whole clothing line? I don't like the printing on this. It's like, it's the plasticky heat press, so that's gonna make your whole chest sweaty, but fire design though, not for nothing. You know what I'm saying? Even like the Mets logo on the shit is fire.
And do you need me to get rid of the packaging?
Oh yeah, we can take care of that. We can take that out, yeah.
Have a good one.
Thank you. This was the scene in Hercules when it was 0 to hero. 0 to hero. So the nature of this trip to the museum was supposed to be a photo walk with Photo Dom. So shout out to Photo Dom because we love Photo Dom. We decided to just walk in and just do our own thing. Take our time taking photos and stuff. And just honestly just see like invisible artwork. Like invisible artwork is pretty cool in my opinion. We're going through the whole thing, right? And I see that my levels look like they're a little higher now. I have the mic here now. Earlier I had it on the jacket away from, so now it's like a little closer to my voice. And like this is the ideal place where you want to be. Like it's mad reverb, it's not loud, like there's little chatters here, but nothing crazy. So I'm assuming that audio is just gonna sound spectacular. Right, Crystal?
Yes.
Absolutely. Hey Rob, have you seen this?
See what?
That's where it originated.
We're done with statues. No more statues. And now we're gonna go to the other side because Rob had me in the statue section for so long, it's crazy. It is currently snowing outside, but it looks like it's snow raining, snating. It's snowing outside. But it's a beautiful day nonetheless to be in the city. This walk is going by lovely. I haven't walked through here in such a long time, and some of the stuff are obviously different. Like they switch things up, but then at the same time, there's so much that it's like, I haven't been here in a while, and it feels good. So now we're in a much more open space where noise is still out of me. This is like probably like the worst audio test ever because there's no factor that's like not letting me grab great audio. Imagine this whole shit is just shit anyway. That'll suck. So for the record, right? Crystal has literally just been going up to the things that she's collected in Animal Crossing.
I did collect that on
And
Animal
that's the
Crossing.
only reason
It's
why
in my
she's
portrait.
here.
I collected that.
Jesus.
You should.
What's your favorite part of this museum?
The bathroom.
The bathroom is your favorite part of this museum? What the fuck? What's your favorite part of this museum?
The bathrooms are actually very nice.
What the flying?
Absolutely, I'm getting.
So go ahead, do it.
I don't need
Do it.
que no vean eso así.
She thinks she gangster talking about she'll lay on the floor. Get up from the floor. We spent so much time here, and we've done like one section. That's it. 2 sections. In my opinion, right, bringing your camera to a museum is not to take good photos, it's to practice your technical skill. I like this. I'm gonna take a picture of my crowd today for the TED Talk. Thank you for today's TED Talk. These are all the people sitting here. You know what I mean? This is ridiculous, Crystal. Show the camera what it is that you're, that's what it is that she's putting there. We are currently getting hungry. Am I right? Hangry. When Crystal gets hangry, it's over. So let's fix that part up, okay? We're gonna like rush through the rest of this museum for whatever it is that we could. And we're gonna get up out of here. I'm ready to go. My back hurts. This guy over here just noticed that TikTok is back, unfortunately, because I was dying for TikTok to be gone. How do you feel that TikTok is back?
It was great. It's my form of entertainment, you know? I don't post that much on TikTok, but some cool gems on there. Plus, my family
A fucking
is
book,
on there, so it's like...
not TikTok. I don't like TikTok. I'm sorry. I don't.
I could literally spend centuries in here, spend so much time in this museum. I love it. And like these areas like this is great. This is beautiful. Look at these, over here, these windows. I wish I had windows like this in my crib. Love those windows. Would you have windows like that in your crib?
I wish.
Over there, those?
Oh, those no.
This guy doesn't know art. Would you have windows like that in your crib?
Yes.
This one knows art.
I would have these windows.
That's a lot for kids.
Not like this. This would be fire, for sure.
Online lighting.
So we gotta find this exit now because we're at like that weird point where like you're too far deep into the museum and you don't know which way is out. So that's what we're working on now. Hopefully we're just gonna go around in circles. Well, hopefully we're not gonna go around in circles. Crystal decided to lead the way, so we've been lost for like a half hour. We finally found the entrance though, and finally we're out of here. This camera doesn't only double as a vlogging device for me, but also as a mirror just to make sure I look good. It's crazy out here.
Yeah.
It's like snowing, but it's also like
It feels like
ice. Oh, one of them just went in my mouth. It feels like hail, honestly. We're gonna head back to the Bronx, get the fuck out of
It
Manhattan.
feels like Dippin' Dots.
It feels like Dipping Dots.
Yeah.
Dipping Dots is beast. I love Dipping Dots. So we're gonna make our way back uptown to get some food and end this motherfucking day because I feel you. It's exactly how I feel.